Today we are talking about one of my favorite subjects, breakfast, el desayuno. El desayuno means breakfast. Me gusta el desayuno. I like breakfast. En el desayuno is a phrase that means at or for breakfast. En el desayuno bebemos jugo. At breakfast, we drink juice. Desayunar is a verb and it means to have breakfast. Me gusta desayunar en casa. I like to have breakfast at home. Las comidas del desayuno. Breakfast foods. All right, we're getting to the good stuff. So we have el pan tostado, which means toast or toasted bread. La salchicha, which means sausage. Los huevos, which means eggs. El yogur, which means yogurt. El tocino means bacon. El pan just means bread. El plátano means banana. El cereal means cereal. These are some typical breakfast foods. Información de vocabulario. This is some information about the vocabulary. So this is just a very simple question. What is breakfast? ¿Qué es el desayuno? In Spanish, la primera comida del día. Cuando comemos en la mañana, la comida del desayuno. So basically, breakfast can mean a couple of things, or maybe a few things. It's the first meal of the day. It's when we eat in the morning. We call that breakfast. And sometimes also the foods that are typical of a breakfast meal can be called breakfast. So when people say things like breakfast for dinner, that means that they're having breakfast foods for dinner, right? So those are just some ideas about what breakfast means and what we mean by breakfast. The word comida means food, and bebida means drink. Comer means to eat. Beber or tomar mean to drink. All right? So comer is the action. Comida is the thing. Same with bebida. Bebida is the thing that you drink. Beber and tomar are the action of drinking. Preguntas. These are some questions using the vocabulary. ¿Cuándo es el desayuno? When is breakfast? El desayuno es en la mañana. Breakfast is in the morning. ¿Cuándo desayuna la gente? When do people have breakfast? La gente desayuna en la mañana. People have breakfast in the morning. Más preguntas, more questions. ¿Qué comes en el desayuno? What do you eat for breakfast? Como pan tostado y yogur. I eat toast and yogurt. Notice here, como and como, they're going to look similar, but this one's the question word, this one's the verb to eat, right? That's how it conjugates. Question. ¿Cómo es el desayuno? How is breakfast? El desayuno es muy bueno. Breakfast is very good. ¿Te gusta el desayuno? Sí, me gusta. Do you like breakfast? Yes, I like it. ¿Te gusta desayunar? Más o menos. Do you like to have breakfast? More or less. Now, I know no one would ever say that, but you know, it takes all kinds. Now, ¿qué hay en el desayuno? What is there at breakfast? De comer o comidas, to eat, or foods. Huevo, egg. Tocino, bacon. Salchicha, sausage. Pan tostado, toast or toasted bread. Yogur, yogurt. Fruta, plátano, manzana, naranja, fruit. Banana, apple, orange. Cereal, cereal. I love this word right here because it shows you how, even though it's the exact same spelling, you don't say things the same way in Spanish and in English. All right? Pretty straightforward. De beber o bebidas. To drink or Drinks. Café, coffee. Té, tea. Jugo, juice. Leche, milk. All right. Now we're going on to some practice. Get something to write with or be ready to do this little assignment. Práctica. ¿Qué hay? Practice. What is there? Look at the picture and tell me if the following are there. All right? So do your best on this. Here are the questions. I'm going to read them out loud. ¿Hay pan? ¿Hay huevo? ¿Hay yogur? ¿Hay salchicha o tocino? ¿Hay café o jugo de naranja? ¿Qué no hay? ¿Qué falta? Number 6. What is there not? What isn't there? What is missing? All right? Do your best on this. You can click pause and do this and then continue. Or you can come back to it later. Now, for the final slide. El repaso, the review. Please do this assignment right here, these 9 questions and what have you, and do your best, okay? I'll read the ones in Spanish for you guys and then the ones in English. Responde means answer. I want you to answer these in Spanish. ¿Cómo se dice breakfast en español? Number 2. ¿Cuándo es el desayuno? Number 3. ¿Qué hay en el desayuno? Traduce means translate. For numbers 4 through 6, just translate these, okay? Comer, comida, beber, bebida. El desayuno es bueno. Me gusta desayunar a las 9. Now, piensa, think. So answer these in English. That's why it's in orange. This is the English stuff. Number 7, what did you learn? Number 8, how would you like to expand your knowledge of this subject? And number 9, how would you rate your understanding of this subject and why? All right, well, that's our video for today on breakfast and breakfast foods. I hope you learned something. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Fun trivia, the word breakfast and desayuno both have kind of a similarity linguistically basically in what they mean. Breakfast means to break fast, as in you stop a period of not eating. The same way that fast means to fast means to not eat. So when you break fast, it means you stop not eating, right? Spanish, it's the same. Desayuno. The word ayuno means to fast. So desayuno means to unfast or to stop not eating. So you break your fast, right? Cool little trivia there. Let me know what you think about that for some extra points. And yeah, I think you guys have this one in the bag. Should be pretty simple. I appreciate y'all watching this video. Let me know what you think. And I hope you learned something today. Hasta luego, mis alumnos.